2 years ago, I plowed this massive boulder with my stock Gladiator axle and snapped it clean in half. Each year I've been back to flex on this boulder with my Dana Spicer Ultimate 60s, but this year the build's complete with my Bison camper and we're showcasing it in Hammertown for the very first time.
My voice is gone, so let's go to Hammertown so we can talk to everyone today, because that sounds like a great idea. No, I'm super stoked, but we'll figure it out. All right, now we're really in the thick of it. Like, people are all in the way, and there's so little vehicles driving through here that, people don't even know. Oh, look out. But I'm going to not talk to you guys because I got to talk to fans and people today. So we'll just show you the ride through.
I never thought my first drive through Hammertown, I literally wouldn't even be able to yell out my own window.
And we'll stop and say hi to our Nitto friends.
Sorry.
Oh, no, you're good, brother. Hey, you want to
pull it out when we were pulling in?
Dude, you want a sticker?
Sweet. Thank you, boss.
Yeah, thank you, man. Dude, all right. Look at that. We're at the Nitto booth. This is the chaos we gotta drive through to get into our booth. My voice is gone. How many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the general comfortable really consensus. How do you guys feel? Are you comfortable? Am I making you feel comfortable?
Oh, yeah. Absolutely.
Dude, what's up? How you been? Good to see you. Y'all beating the crap out of your JT?
We did,
yeah. Sweet. Well, I caught you on video. Ooh. So it's been so rad to show everyone the rig here at Hammers. All the rock crawlers, you know, you're a rock crawler, right?
Yeah.
Woo! Dude, so what do you think of my trash system?
The backpack?
What? I guess. Yeah, but I got patches on it.
Oh, you're all right.
See? It's got patches.
That'll make it
That's super Overland.
I make you go even further.
Rad meeting you, man.
Nice meeting you too, brother.
That was pretty cool to have this thing in Hammertown. Nice. All right, so I've got this crappy karaoke box. We don't have a mic here. And thank God I bought this just in case. And I'm going to return it after this on Amazon. So let's go up and see how it works. You guys want to go up to the deck thing? Yeah, let's do it. Let's see, who else? Okay. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Like, kind of like, yeah-ish. Okay. Will.
Hey, it's Phil from down the mall.
Hey, Will. I love you. How are you? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Yeah, for sure. You got a Sharpie? 2 years ago, I came here with my Jeep. And I found a really, really big boulder out there at speed. And I didn't see it quick enough. So long story short, my stock front axle cracked clean in half. and it was about 5 p.m. Actually, hold on. It was 2 years ago to the day and time.
That time, yeah.
It's like we planned it.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh yeah, wait, that we did. First person that I called was Mike, who should be here. Mike Hallmark, Hellwig.
Yes,
I just started letting everyone know, hey, I broke real bad. It's really bad. I need a lot of help. So anyways, I went to the Olaf camp. By that point, word spread. Lori's doing like a giveaway, and I'm like, he's on a bike, just like this. And he's like, oh, Phil just broke this front axle. And I'm like, but it was good because the word spread, and this community gives back. When you tell people you need something, they generally want to help. And so anyways, that all started.
This was an epic moment for me to be able to show the Bison Overland camper, tell the story of how we rebuilt the truck, and thank some big sponsors like Icon, Steer Smarts, Trail Ready, Nitto, obviously Dana Spicer, and so many more people, individual people that helped get it to where it is today. So check the description below for the full story in a few videos. And thank you again, Christian, for pulling the Jeep out, Matt letting us drop it at the sandbox, and Andy for driving over 15 hours round trip just to get the Jeep back to Nichols Auto Fab safely.
I really wish Kevin was here. He was maybe going to make it, but he works very hard. So Kevin did all the fabrication work on the truck and became a really good friend. And Jack Grant, as well. I've been able to
Panning the crowd.
have a really fun journey rebuilding this truck to what it is today. So stoked to show it to you guys. Hop in it, check it out. Yeah. Whatever. Any questions about anything? What we're doing here? Everyone just wants to do stuff, I think, Jesse.
I think so.
All right, well, let's give them some stuff.
So real quick, one thing for you guys. Everybody that's here, everybody got raffle tickets.
For another Dana Spicer hat, we got 117.
And you'll never guess who won it.
120.
Do I know you? How are you? Well, now you got another one.
Our next winner is number 108.
If you didn't recognize her, that's Dr. Hannah Straight. We actually met at the Ultra 3-wheeler race earlier in the week. And yeah, it was fun chatting with you briefly, Hannah.
Okay, we got a Warren. Use your phone control to winch.
Winner, winner. Thanks again, Warren, for being a part of the giveaway. Appreciate you.
Dana 60. Dana 60. There we go. Magic touch. Who wants it? Woo!
9162.
162. 162.
Earn it.
Congratulations.
So rad that Dana ended up giving away a $500 gift card. They also had their new EV spec class motor on display, which was really cool to look at. But mainly the cool part was talking with fans of the channel, but also people who haven't seen the truck before, and to hear their opinions on this one-of-a-kind Jeep camper.
Okay, so we're wrapping up the Dana Spicer party here. It's been a rad time. Gave away some shirts and stuff. It's been awesome to meet you guys, though, and you just said something that blew me away. So, Rick, what do you think of the truck and the camper?
So we've been at King of the Hammers all day checking everything out. We've seen the biggest, baddest vehicles, RVs, off-road, everything. And we walked past this today, hadn't seen it, and this is probably the most perfect rig that we've seen as far as getting where we want to go and having everything you need to stay there. And we're just amazed by it.
The one that made us stop in our tracks and say,
How the much do you want for this thing?
how do we do that?
Yeah.
And how much do you want for it? Because that's probably the coolest rig we've seen here. Hands down.
Dude, thank you guys so much. This is the biggest project of my life, and yeah, thank you. Appreciate you guys. Yeah.
Of course, after I turned the camera off, I learned these guys are actually fabricators, so really appreciate that opinion. And
All right, tops down. We're heading out of Hammertown. Let's go see what everyone's getting into. Bye-bye, Dana. Wow, that was so rad. That was like super fun to be able to share this with people and see some real stoke. We got people videoing us right over there. I'm just, really humbled. Let's go party. Ambers. Ambers are the only thing. Ambers are life right now. Walking up to Sublime.
Oh yeah, he's still in two-wheel drive. Yeah, yes, dude. Might hop out and log his hose, bro.
This year at King of the Hammers, there's corn dogs at Chocolate Thunder. What? Yep, we're at the bottom of Chocolate Thunder. Matt's super stoked about his corn dog. Look at him over there. He's just like a kid in the corn dog store. You excited about your corn dog?
Chocolate Thunder, yeah?
Yeah.
Chocolate.
Corn dogs and chocolate, baby. Pretty cool. Getting that ketchup. Oh yeah. Never frozen, always fresh, crispy, and tasty.
Come on. How often do you get a fresh made corn dog in the middle of nowhere?
Yeah, I mean, not often. Let's see, how does it taste?
Oh no, it's supposed to be hot.
It's supposed to be crispy and tasty.
I'm supposed to wait.
Oh, okay. Oh, I heard the crunch from over here.
Okay.
Wow.
All right.
Look at that. Corn dog stand.
All right.
Hammertown City.
Now rock crawling.
And rock crawling. So yeah, is it crispy, tasty, meeting your expectations?
Hammers. Best corn dog I've ever had at Hammers.
Wow. It's probably the only. Anyways. Let's go see. All right, mobbing back to camp.
Oh, camp's looking pretty good, everybody. Very nice. Very nice.
Tape works.
But it works.
This isn't like ribeye BDSM shit.
Whoa, dude, that was
Suspended
big.
ribeye.
That's a lot of meat, man. Wow.
Slap it, Ronnie. Just slap that meat.
Baby. Yeah, you have.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. And the other one. And the other one.
Look at a video of that.
That means you want it harder.
Harder.
Ronnie,
Harder?
slap that
Ronnie,
beef.
Can you
Harder and
scoot them
faster.
over?
Like you mean it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I think Todd will be warm tonight.
Oh boy.
Either that or he's gonna set his tent on fire.
We also met up with some Nitto pit crew members to snap some photos.
Getting a little Nitto photo shoot going on, yeah. Oh, shut up. But not with them Nittos.
Like I got scared I was gonna get stuck right there. I'm like, when in doubt, floor it.
When in doubt, throttle out. Yeah, that's
on the tire to get to the fridge.
a little Congo line. Okay, that's fun. All right, Coda's Tacoma. Here we go. Nice work, dude. Good driving. That was sick. Oh, that boulder. All right, spot number 2 for the photo shoot. We're gonna pop the top of the camper. And there we are, all popped. All right, get some shots of that camper.
Okay, just keep hanging out in there.
Just hanging out, you know. It's a party in the Bison Overland camper at King of the Hammers, man.
Hey, look, there's Blake Wilkie off shredding in the distance. So cool to see while at the photo shoot. That wasn't the only sideshow. This guy was determined to put the first body damage in his Jeep.
Holy cow! Almost. All right, here we go. All right. Holy cow, bro. Wheel it up there. Yeah. Yeah, dude. Got them trail ready beadlocks, baby.
Turns out this was actually a pretty good parking spot. So we stopped and chatted with him for a little bit and realized this was the first body damage he's ever put on the Jeep.
Yep. Oh, there it is. The first body damage in 4 years, brother. I like it. And there he goes again. Yeah, but
And I'd say that's a great way to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching. Tune into the next one where we ride up Chocolate Thunder with Tony Pellegrino from Gen Ride Off-Road. Yeah, amazing stuff coming, and we'll see you there. Comment what you thought. Smack the like if you enjoyed it. But really, the question is, are you down to mob?